Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your keyboard is not working when playing games on your Windows 11 computer guys. This tutorial will work for Windows 10 and Windows 7, Windows 8, every Windows guys. I recommend to check the condition of your keyboard. If you are using an external plug and play keyboard, try to change the keyboard. Just an old or worn out keyboard, there are be possibility to be the problem guys. uh, Try to check whether the keyboard is good condition and let's fix that problem guys. It's the software based issues. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it, click other troubleshooters and scroll down guys. Select the keyboard troubleshoot to run. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. No changes or no updates were necessary. If you have any problem detected here, hopefully that can able to resolve a problem guys. Let's move on to the next solution. Go to search menu and type device manager. So if you have issue with Steam or related games problem, we just need to close the game and restart it guys, and hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. And select device manager. Inside of it, just to select the keyboard, expand it and select your keyboard and right click on it and click update driver. Click search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Search for drivers on Windows Update also guys, search it. Anything listed over here like this, you just need to download and install it guys. Just need to download and install it like this. Everything listed over here, click on update all, install all, click on it, and everything you should download it guys. After that, close out of here and restart your PC. That can able to resolve your problems guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.